number 0905 request rail service to Portsmouth Harbour. Calling at Fareham, Cosham, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour.
Good morning guys, it's the 29th of August and we are on the way to the Air Festival here in England, Bournemouth. So it should be interesting. We're going to run around Bournemouth, go to the arcades, get some food and stuff, join us on the vlog. I've not done this for a long time, so bear with us guys. If you've never been to the Air Festival, well, I believe this is the last one. So we are down at Bournemouth Pier now. Spent 25 minutes walking down there. I've been here in 20 years. That's insane. That we may be able to visit later. We'll see how much that is. Anyway, catch you in a minute.
You'll know how to find us.
engineering and technical staff to keep it in the air. Lovely slow roll out of the turbo. Move of it. Keeping the nose high, whilst keeping also the jet straight down the display line. Surprisingly flexible across the speed spectrum for this machine as well. You'll see it's, as I say, limited static to 600 miles an hour. Capable of Mach 2, of course, but also capable of very, very slow speed as well. Effortlessly rolling it through the sky. All the maneuvers you would expect of a frontline high-performance fast jet pilot. But bringing the stick way back now. Bringing the speed back, we're talking about 120 knots, that is all. It's what we call a high alpha position. We're just before an aircraft can stall, but pretty much impossible to do that with the electronic help on board. And just before the airflow breaks away from the upper side of the wing surfaces. You feel the reheat coming on in just a moment. Here we go.